time he talk, I'm just gonna be like,
I don't give a damn what you doing that, Kyerra.
Wait, every time you say something, oh, I need something. I feel so sick. Oh, breast smell like shit.
Nah. Yeah, you can do that all you want, like you throwing up invisible shit. I don't care.
What's good, more gang? It's your girl Kyerra Marie, your favorite YouTuber, back with another and you know your girl about to get your boy good. Whew. As y'all see by the title in the thumbnail, I just got your boy good, y'all. So what I'm about to be doing, we about to go gas up my car or whatever, y'all. But what I'm about to be doing is every time Quint talk, I'm be like, ooh. Every single time he talk, ugh. I don't know what I'm gonna call this, but that's what I'm gonna be doing, y'all. Every time he talk, I'm just gonna be like, to get his reaction, y'all. So if you guys are new to the game, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on y'all post notifications, and of course shit is cool lit. And like I always say, thank you guys for 100K. Alright, y'all, so let me go ahead and set my stuff up and let's get into this. Let's get it, let go. Y'all, this gonna be so funny. Because believe it or not, y'all, Quint sensitive in a sense. Believe it or not, There you go, y'all. See the door. He talking about me driving, y'all. Wait. Oh, you let Hennis out? He had something to say. He had something to say about me on the passenger side. He looking like he let Hennis pee. She ain't gotta do all that. Go on the house, Hennis. You pee. Go on the house. She gonna be sassy. Y'all, he can come on. See, cause Hennis ain't peeing. Hennis just walking around. Y'all, I'm gonna skip until he get in the car, cause honey, him and Hennis. Y'all, did y'all miss us? Cause we was MIA. We ain't been consistent since we went out of town, y'all. We had to get back on track. Why is my car sounding like that? We had a lot to do, so we back. We back consistent, y'all. The kids went to school Thursday, so we back consistent now. Cause I know y'all missed us. But I'm for real, y'all. He take a forever, so when he come on and get in the car, we gonna get him into this prank.
5 minutes later.
My seatbelt be doing it. I don't know why it's like this.
Damn.
You and him is playing. She seen that man over there.
What man?
Just stay over there.
When?
I'm saying when you first let her out, she peed and looking over there, that man.
Let's see, go in the kitchen. Right there. See that? Yeah, no gas.
This we finna go get some gas, baby.
Damn.
Why my car sounding like that?
Not a dirt bike.
Something ain't right on the hood. You need to look on there. I don't like that, man.
I'm looking at for. I ain't no damn mechanic.
I can't be riding like that.
What you doing that for? Yeah.
Come on, man.
Get the shit out. Come on, man. I'm trying to get out. Come on. You try slowing it in. You want me to pause off of that thing or something? That we up for that.
Yeah.
What you keep doing that that for? I noticed you keep doing it every time I say something. What you keep doing it for?
Smell like boo-boo. I
What?
smell some boo-boo.
Your car probably all this shit in here. You got shit in here from last year. Food and all.
Oh, I feel like this. Man, I gotta take these. I don't want to like this. Get these 3D.
You doing me?
What's that smell? I don't smell
Hey,
it.
Bobby, your damn car.
I don't smell it.
Into what?
No, man, baby. Don't know how to act. Piece of hut. Got a piece of hut.
Yeah, we done had this up before now, so I don't know.
Man, you know how long it been since we had a piece of
I
hut?
know it. Yeah, you trying to say my breath stinking? Cause my breath is not stinking. I don't care. I don't care if you shine and say it or not. I'ma say it. You don't smell my damn breath. You can act like you throwing your damn tongue up all you want. Fat ass tongue. My breath ain't stinking. Nah, I ain't neither. How about it? I don't give a damn about you doing that, Kyerra.
Wait, every time you say something,
Every time I say something there, I just don't smell nothing here.
I'm so serious, babe.
What it smell like?
Boo-boo.
So my breath smell like shit.
Like boo-boo balls or something.
Do my breath smell like shit? Huh?
Babe, I'm sorry, but I'm saying, like, do you be brushing your tongue?
You just worry about what you breath.
Hey, I'm serious.
Yeah, I know you ain't talking about nobody breath.
What?
You get up early in the morning talking to folk face like you brush your teeth
Okay,
like
but you
peppermint or something.
brush over.
And you don't smell that either. I know you. Look, you lying. You lying. You doing that before I even get my words out. You lying.
So when you
Your ass
own
on.
it.
I wish you would stop looking like this. You look like yours stinking. Damn.
It don't matter what it look like.
It do matter.
Wait, just say something. I'm seeing. I ain't trying to hurt your feelings with
You
me.
ain't hurt my feelings.
Okay, why you gotta be mean? I'm just saying. You
You
see
ain't hurt my
that?
feelings.
You just. Okay. Wait, I smell something, but I don't smell it until you talk. Damn, put that mask on so I tell you what I'm talking about. Your lips shine up good, but.
Yeah, you fucking acting with your big ass, fat ass, swole ass head. Hey, you need to stop acting.
Why you
Your damn
yawning?
ass out.
Why you yawning here?
Oh, your crack chain.
Why you yawning here?
Yeah, look, you need to stop playing with me. You don't smell my breath. Care about you looking like that. I don't care about you acting like that. I don't care about you doing that. You do that all you damn want. Like somebody to smush you in the face.
But I'm serious. You gotta teach me before.
I know you fucking lying, bitch.
So you got one? Trying to pull some of your damn brain out. Maybe it's in your head to go down now. Pull it down.
It smell like one like somebody dig in their neighbor and smell it.
The hell? Who do weird shit like that? You.
I done did it before.
You know what you smell too? Probably something on you. Weird, too.
Oh, I need some. I feel so sick.
You look sick.
Oh, breath smell like shit.
Your breath smell like shit. I bet you smell my breath. My breath ain't stinking. My breath ain't got no reason to be stinking. Nah. Yeah, you can do that all you want. Like you throwing up invisible shit. I don't care.
Don't holler. Okay, let me stop this.
Hey, what is on? Come on, truck. It's none of this shit. Look at that. Shit, can you stop breathing so damn hard? You already do that when you sleep and shit. Feel like you running 24/7. That damn hard breathing. You ain't doing never sitting there.
Man, you put me through hell, baby.
Put yourself through hell the way you breathing.
You put me through hell.
How I'm putting you through hell? Damn, you need to stop acting. You trying to act. You don't even know sign language. Thinking ass hand. Move like you been digging. Get back. Slap you in the forehead, you better go on now. You look on
Let's say your breath stink.
Yeah, okay, I smelled your breath stinking plenty of times, so what?
Okay, me too, but this is the worst.
This ain't no fucking worse than that.
This is the worst I smell these.
Hey, yo. I like piss.
You smell it. Oh my god.
Yeah, will you hush? With your fat neck.
I know you fucking lying, bitch.
Damn.
You got a big fat water bill up on your tongue.
Oh, what?
You got a big fat something stinking, yo.
Yeah, you just saying. She just said I got some on my tongue. Shit on my tongue.
I'm saying you got a big fat stink ball or something.
Well.
In your mouth.
Well.
In one no spot when you ain't got no TV. I know it's in right there.
Oh, you just roll in your mouth.
But I just know one of them big stink things sitting in your ball spot.
Hey, them little fucking baby teeth you got. Like little knives in that motherfucker.
Man, I don't care. That shit stink, man.
That shit stink.
But I ain't trying to make fun of you. I'm just saying.
I ain't making fun of you. I done smelled your shit plenty of times.
Okay. I talk when I wake up with that breath.
Yeah, you need a hood right now.
Okay, my breath don't stink.
Well, how you know?
Cause I brush my teeth.
I did the same thing, but you tell mine stinking, but yours can't stink. You're a damn lie.
I smell it though, baby.
You
And look at you doing this. So you just put your hand on your lip and then you smell it on the slide.
Yeah. Why would I smell my breath on the slide? My breath stinking, I can smell it right here. Right now. Hey, fuck that shit, you come out. Hey, stop that shit. You won't throw, you get your big head ass out then. Fucking dry braid head ass.
Oh!
Hey, your ass out the car. I put you out your own shit. I don't care.
Hey, why I smell like that?
Why you look like that? Nah.
Hey, why your breath stink? Smell like shit, too. Like you been just eat doodle ball and stuff.
Yeah.
Like you ain't brush your teeth.
Okay, that's enough. If my breath stink, you done told me. That's a fucking enough. If it would have been on your ass, you would have been crying by now. So leave me the hell alone. If it's stinking, it's stinking. Hell. Beat your damn chest like King Kong all you want. You gonna want to throw up in it before you shit it in it.
I only did that while I was pregnant.
No.
Throw it up bile.
Like you shit it in
And
it.
that would just smell like you been throwing up bile for 2 days. Man, it smell like you been throwing up bile for 2 days. 3. Why you keep yawning?
You being so lame, boy.
Hey.
You being lame as a motherfucker, too.
I'm sorry. Man, let me smell it. Let me make sure, cause I'm sorry. Cause my car do need clean. Let me see.
Man, go on somewhere.
But let me see. It stink.
Your ass stinking. All that fucking big ass.
You listen?
You a lie. Never lick your ass. You just quit lying on me.
Quint.
Kyerra, when do I ever lick your big ass? Come on now. Damn tore up ass car. Who you smelling your car? Come on now, give me that gas money now.
Then you got the nerve to have your lips shiny. Oh, that's some new shit.
Go pay for that fucking gas. You got so much fucking engine. That little ass shirt on.
I smell like shit.
You smell like shit. Get back. Get back.
Yeah.
Go pay for that fucking gas.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, what you touching me?
Right on
I'm sure you're a kid.
Y'all, let me find y'all photo. Okay. Y'all sit tight. Hold on, I'll be back.
5 minutes later.
Ooh. Okay, you guys. Thank y'all for sitting tight. I want to give my post notification shout out to Stacy Thompson. Shout out to you, gang. If y'all want to be part of post notification, y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, lit. And our address, I'm gonna put my address down in the description. Y'all sent a lot of Tic Tacs and gone because this shit can't happen again. But you know I'm just playing. Give me a hug.
No.
Give me a hug. Look, in 2023, don't be a sore loser when you get pranked. Now give me a hug.
No, you get back.
Give me a hug.
I'm trying to look at that punk. You let me look at it. Dang. Kyerra, get back. When you rip that shirt.
I'm gonna rip my. Don't. Give me a hug, boy. We love y'all. And until next time.